Welcome to Yoga with AJ. Today we're practicing balancing poses, trying to question what really helps us to balance, whether you're balancing on one leg, on your hands, or on your head. So let's get started through our body and understand how to connect through the balancing poses. Close your eyes for a few seconds and see what happens to your balance. Open your eyes again. Now fix your drishti, your gaze, on a spot right in front of you. See if that helps you balance better. Straighten up your back. Staying here for 3 long breaths. And gently adjusting your body weight, slowly pressing your heels down into the floor and coming up into Utkatasana, chair pose. Look up at your hands. Be careful of your lower back. Don't let it arch. Round the back slightly. Pull the stomach into the spine. Press back with your hips as if you're sitting in an imaginary chair. Make the thighs nice and firm. Root down into your feet. Breathing here for 3 more breaths. And gently pull back up. Relax the arms. Shake those legs out. It's wonderful to understand the body better through the balancing poses. Sometimes you might feel that you're stronger in your lower body. Some of us might feel our upper bodies are more strong. Sometimes the right side of the body is more stable or more flexible, and sometimes it's the left. So through our balancing poses, it's wonderful to understand all aspects of ourselves. Keep watching Yoga with AJ and remember to subscribe to our channel.